How much does it cost to repair a roof leak in Boston? It could cost you thousands if left unchecked. Repairing a roof leak in Boston can range from $200 to $1,500, depending on the severity. Minor repairs, often manageable with DIY sealant, typically cost between $200 and $400. Moderate issues, requiring patching techniques like roofing tape, can cost between $400 and $800. Significant damage might need professional help, with costs reaching up to $1,500. Flashing problems are a common cause of leaks, as deteriorated flashing allows water to seep in. Clogged gutters can lead to poor drainage, causing water to pool and penetrate roofing materials. Regular maintenance and inspections can prevent small leaks from becoming major problems. High-quality materials like asphalt shingles or metal flashing can impact repair costs. Experienced roofing professionals may charge more, but their expertise ensures durable repairs. Peak seasons can drive up prices due to increased demand for roofing services. Choosing the right contractor is crucial. Look for licenses, insurance, and positive reviews. Visible water stains, mold growth, and a sagging roof deck are signs you need immediate repairs. Damaged flashing around chimneys, vents, or skylights can lead to significant leaks. Ignoring these signs can escalate water damage and require costly emergency services. Preventative measures like annual inspections and clear gutters can save you from costly repairs. Infrared cameras and moisture meters can help detect hidden leaks early. Applying a roof sealant can provide extra protection and extend your roof's lifespan. Roof leak repairs typically take 1 to 3 days, depending on the complexity. Homeowners insurance might cover repairs, so review your policy details carefully. Choose a contractor who values customer satisfaction to ensure a successful repair or installation.